Having internet issues.
Yeah.
I couldn't
Slow.
get in. What's that?
It's slow.
Yeah, nothing would load. The Discord wouldn't even load. I think
Morning,
the phone
guys.
wouldn't load.
Morning. Good morning.
Morning, guys.
Who's that, Sean?
Yeah.
One of
Ooh,
those days.
Morning.
Yeah, LNTH, huh?
Yeah.
Rough morning for you, I see.
Yeah, it's been rough. Computer is slow as heck, brother. No.
We should have those rough mornings, right, Sean?
Yeah, yeah.
See, no.
What's your target on Tesla?
Target on Tesla is reach already. There's some pressure up there.
I got in at 256.26.
Got it early this morning. This is my second trade. Computer is it's actually slow. It's been doing that since the other day. How long it's gonna take to come out. But took advantage of LNTH this morning. How long it takes to load up. It's one of those things that advantage on this camera here, but it pulls up and it pulls right back down.
Yeah, you took it early in pre-market, huh?
Let me take care of that.
AVGO show.
Yes, sir. Still just going, man.
11:31.
Morning, fellas.
Morning there.
Morning.
9 days, that's it. 9 days left out of the year.
Hey, check out IVVD. I'm in that one at 302.
IBBB.
Still having your finger is still slow, right? Edwin?
Yeah,
What is it?
IVVD.
Yeah, mine is slow as that too.
Indigo
That's
No,
Boy,
no,
Victor,
B is in
David.
B is in Victor.
IBBV.
Yeah, VVD.
2 V's.
No,
Okay.
two V's and a D.
Indigo,
V's
Victor,
and a D,
Victor,
Yeah.
David.
Victor, David. Yeah.
That was a nice run.
Oh, it's nice.
It's got resistance there at 490.
But I had it. I had it over this 372.
And then the next resistance after that is 6.
Get it over the top there at 5. Gonna build momentum over the 5. Just can't trade like this. It's just, but you know, I'm still doing it. Just, I don't like how, just don't like how it takes long to load up. How would it be that short? Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, guys.
Morning, Andre.
There it is. Tesla is running.
Yeah.
So I would treat IVVB short on the floor. Followed by LNTH is cooking to the downside. Let's need to get out of this range here down and break that low down.
It's still a good time to get into this trade.
I would wait till it breaks the low here. So 60, 60, 30. Watch 60 to 60 to 59. Watch that break of 60. If you could get $1 to the downside, you could without pressure.
Carvana.
I don't think it's coming back up unless it comes down to 59.
Carvana's been running too.
What should be the target on Tesla?
Got out with my partial that one first one. That's not got room. That's
Yep.
Yeah, I think it was waiting for that 253 resistance to be broken,
Yeah.
and it finally broke this morning.
63. Got room up until 263.
And very at the 500 mark almost.
Yeah, Mark, there you go. Finally. I haven't been trading in the beginning of it. Watch that 60 on LNTV.
Good morning, fellas.
Morning. Good morning, trading. That's how it is. Gotta be patient with these trades out. It's just two of us trading on Weeble here. Look at Carvana. Nice. Great. Well, 52 and she was gone.
Yeah, I got Carvana at 50.87.
Nice. After that pullback down here, right?
Yeah.
I missed Tesla early. Got it. Got it on the pullback. Oh, good trade, man. Great trade.
Looks like LNTH trying to find a support in 60.
Let's see. It's just slow, that's all. Slow. Slow. FedEx is slow too. I don't know why it's so slow. See what LNTH do right at 60. It's pressure on the stuff to get them. But let's see up. Get that pullback on the next up. Wow. And this morning, crypto is up, right?
Nu feel it, Tata.
I don't like how Weeble having me trading the last couple of days. So
Crypto's down, brother.
yeah, MSDR break this 568. That's one. Stop loss, yeah, that's one. LNTH, if it breaks that 69, use a point to 59. 50 cents, 60 cents, so forth. It's trying to find something. What's that? It's 60. Morning, everybody. Oh, okay. I'm checking YouTube. Come on. Wake up, wake up. Get the coffee going, get the tea going. Come on. Everybody still sleeping? We're still sleeping? Still sleeping.
No, brother, not sleeping.
Nah, nah.
Not
Half sleeping.
sleeping.
Half
Me.
sleeping. Half sleeping. That's what. Half sleeping.
I don't sleep.
You changed your microphone recently, Steve.
Yeah.
Can
Well, you can hardly hear me, or
Comes across a bit choppy sometimes.
yeah. Oh, hold on.
It may be just me. I don't know.
Maybe it's me. Not talking clear enough. Welcome to everybody on YouTube. If you're live on YouTube for the first time, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. You know, we're live on. Come on in. Pin to the top of the chat. Go ahead, come in if you want to come in, join us live. No lag time. I think it's the internet in and out.
Steve, what do you think about IVVD?
IVVD.
Yeah. I want to get into with you to trade like LNTH or IVVD or something like that one time and earn even half like you.
IVVD. I would have to wait to break some. Still have that. Oh, might attack out. So, yeah, that's what it's about. It's a nice pop up one. Right, that's the break right. Five over there. Where's that? 650. So from 5, you got $1.50 to the next one.
Yeah, you are breaking up, brother.
Big, okay. If you had broke 60, you should have been at least 70 cents or 60 cents in the money on LNTH short. Right? LNTH short.
Where's the take profit in LNTH?
At 59. If you're just getting in
50.
at 60, take
Oh,
that,
okay.
take that 80 cents. Oh, about 90 cents, 80 cents. Anybody took that 60 break?
Nope, I didn't.
LNTH?
No, I didn't take that.
80 cents. 50 cents more.
I took it with you.
INCH. Good job, man. You're 80 cents in.
Thank you. It's after that I lost all my money today.
But got it back.
I didn't get it back. I lost $1,000 today, and now I get back 100 with you in LTH. Why are you getting long on ACN?
I was long earlier. Pull back.
Oh,
She goes 59. LNTH. Break
you
one
believe it's
down.
going? You think it's going below 59?
It already did.
Already broke it.
Oh, I got out in 59.
Remember, you did $1. You take whatever it is. Leave a partial just in case.
Yeah, you're right.
There's no need for me to get on.
For you? For you, you can get out, yeah. If I was in this trade like you, I was out. I was drinking a beer right now.
Okay. Nothing wrong with that, man. Celebrate. Celebrate.
Yep, we need to celebrate together.
Down here at 59. 850. I gotta tap it one at a time. If I tap it too fast. You using both your phone and computer, Edwin?
Yeah.
I mean, like, okay.
Like I can move my stop loss up faster on my phone.
Phone, yeah. I don't even want to try, bro. So, HCM, okay. Target is good, yeah. It's resistance up here. Mindful for it to go down. That's the retract. ACN.
Steve, what do you think about IVVD for short?
Under $4.
Under $4 for short?
Long 5, short 4. Stocks having a pullback.
It's right now gonna touch the $4. You
Short.
don't get into this trade?
No, I'm not gonna. That's a short.
Hello, good morning, everyone.
Morning. Morning.
Morning.
Okay, man. Happy Monday.
Yeah, happy Monday.
Did everybody have a great weekend this weekend?
Excellent weekend.
Christmas shopping and drinking.
Oh, there you go. LNTH one find support right here.
JPM was moving today too.
Huh?
JPM.
Yeah. Oh, man. Been on a roll since 2 months now.
Steve, can you look with me on IVVD? I took a short when when the candle is closed below the $4, it's closed in 3,990, and after I sold it, it's getting up again for $4.
You want to do with it?
IVVD. I took a short in under $4, and then it came again upside.
Yeah. That's here.
What is it? Oh, I need to
Down in
break this one.
Alright, so you made 25 cents. Gave it 25 cents.
Okay, so just after this candle will close below, I was need to take a
It
short.
needs to fail here. It's 370. It's 370. 370. Gotta break this level here. One more downside. See what it does. Trying to create a support here. Let's see. Just gotta wait. Have a cross here. The back knee and still above it a little bit. So we use this lever and bounce one more time. It was up 170, it dropped 20% already. It's in that 150. Now you need
Yeah.
to drop another 20%. Take us down here. $3.
Oh, it's too scary to play on those trades.
Just gotta wait. Wait for the break. That's all. Gotta wait. Stop and tell you. Stop loss would be at the top of this candle here. This is where I would have my stop loss. Above this candle.
Okay.
Where would I have my stop loss? I'm in at 4. Okay, well, just wait. Know what you're risking, and that's it. You're not giving it anymore. Trying to establish some support here at 4. The next candle got to come over this previous candle here. Go higher.
Yeah.
And your stop loss would be right there.
But the pressure is, I don't understand where the pressure is. To the downside, to the upside.
All we want to see is the sellers and buyers are fighting at 4. Right? Look at the volume. What's the volume? This is the selling pressure. Okay, they're ready. Here comes the buyers now on this candle, trying to force it up. Gonna see who's gonna win. Look, and then you look at the RSI, you look at the MACD. Look, it's sitting right on top. It hasn't crossed over yet. So the pressure from the buyers are still right at this level. Pressure of the buyers are still on top of the 70. It hasn't broken. Right? So you gotta wait for these numbers. You gotta wait for it to show you what it wants to do. You have your stop loss. Now, if it comes up and break this, your stop loss, now you know that it established a support at 4, right? And then the momentum, volume is gonna come in. If it does come in, gonna push you through 5. Because we talk about, look at the daily. This is where it needs to break, right? So you gotta have all that information ready and analyze that. See who's winning and who is not, right? Right now, the buyers are winning, right?
Yeah, the buyers are winning.
Right.
And they took me out.
Okay,
So
you have your stop loss. Okay, that's fine, right? You took it at 4, you made 25 cents, right? Okay, wait for the next one, right? Now you know that it's establishing some support. Let's see who wins, right?
right.
If I was in that trade, that would be my stop loss.
Yeah, but I got with them with a lot of money, so I took out because I lost a lot today.
Okay, that's okay. If you have a plan, you stick to the plan. You win some money, then you wait. This is the stock you want to trade.
Yeah, I today I'm gonna stay on this stock, I think, all the day.
Okay. So there are only these two things can happen in this stock as of now, as we look at. It has to break 5, and it has to break underneath. Right?
Right.
That's it.
Yeah.
Target is going to be 3 if it break this level here. Right? That would be my target. All right?
Okay.
Go to my 15 minutes. See where it needs to break over. All right? Go to
Yeah.
the daily. Got up into 6. Right?
Right.
On a break 5, you could look for 50 cents, you could look for $1. Okay?
Okay, we'll be wait.
That's all you got to
Thank
do.
you.
If that's the stock you want to trade.
Yeah. I think there's the money now. Use it.
See? That's where the next one is. Right? This is 5. That's 6. 613, something like that up there. That's what you're looking for in that candle. Right? This is on a weekly
Right.
candle. Look at the daily candle. That's where it needs to break. 4 hours. Strength is up. There we go. Everything leads up. Just pull back right now. How far can it pull back? It can pull back past this 375, 350, right? But what if
Right.
the buyers come in and push this stock higher? We just got to wait for that one level to break. Position itself in a range right now. Up to 150. See the buyers start coming in a little bit. Okay. So
Okay.
these 2 red candles was the sellers. They were much bigger, heavier than the buyers. Push the buyers down. Here comes the buyers pushing the sellers up. Yeah. Just fighting right at this level. Just gotta wait for your numbers.
Okay, so we'll be waiting.
Take it short or long. The hardest thing is to wait for the stock to develop. That's the hardest thing.
That's the artist, huh?
That's the hardest thing. As a new trader, the hardest thing is to wait. That's what you gotta develop. You gotta develop that patience.
Here is it. After it took me out with a stop loss, now it's getting
That's okay.
lower again.
Took you out. You made a plan first, right? The plan worked, right? You made money, right?
I lost money.
Oh, you
No,
lost money.
I
So you didn't
I
put your
stick
stop
to the
loss.
plan.
You didn't took your partials, right?
No, yeah, I didn't took.
So that's the next thing you gotta learn, right? You're in the green, take your partial. Remember, if you just start now trading, I advise you to take your partial every chance you get.
Thank you.
Take your partial. It don't matter how much it is. Take it. Get in a habit of paying yourself first. If you don't get in a habit of paying yourself first, you know what? The stock goes your way, your emotion is gonna switch up, right? When you're paying
Right.
yourself first, it's a different type of attitude you're gonna have towards the market, right? Because you're paying yourself first. If the partial come and stop you out, so what? You paid yourself already, you're green. Move on to the next trade. If it's the same stock, then you wait for another entry again. Do the same thing again, rinse and repeat. Right? So as a new trader, I would advise you take your 3/4 out and then put your stop loss at your entry so you won't lose anything. Right? It would be a win-win
Right.
trade every single time.
Okay, gotcha. Yeah.
Because if you're waiting for the stop loss to come and hit, right? You're into another stock. You didn't set a stop loss. Boom. Takes all that green away, all your profit away, right? So
Right.
if you put it at your entry, at least you know what? You didn't lose any money. What you did with that trade, you won, you got money, and then you got stopped out at your entry. So that's it. A lot of times I'll try stocks. I try trades. I tried. If it doesn't work, if it was in the green and then it pulled back, at least it pulled back to my entry and I didn't lose on that trade, right?
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Right? So those are some things that you could work on. You don't have to be big share size. Just use small one. Practice till you build up your share size. I'll work my way up where I could take 4,000 shares of a stock, 2,000 shares.
Yeah. I wish to be like you. You are my idol.
It didn't happen overnight. So practice. I'm 8 years in so far.
8 years. Wow. I'm 3 years and I'm still don't get it.
Takes time, man. If
Yeah,
it's
don't
this
beat
you want,
yourself.
if it's this you want, it's gonna take time. Everything takes time. When you were learning to drive, right? You didn't just get in the car and just drive, right? You had to take some practice,
Right.
go to an empty parking lot, right? Maybe with your dad
Yeah.
or maybe with a friend, and go in the parking lot and an empty parking lot and drive around in circles over and over again, right? Or if you
Right.
were in school, you take that driver's head class that you got to go out with a teacher, instructor out on the road. It takes time, and then you keep doing that over time. You got comfortable. You could go out by yourself,
Right.
just like riding a bike. You know, it takes time, but after you get it, it becomes repeat, 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 repeat. You're doing the same thing over and over again. You have to be in the market to see those things happen.
Gotcha.
LNPH wants to find support here. Look how slow this is. Huh. Wow. So it's trying to establish some support down here and go up here. See what Tesla is doing. Anybody watching anything else? Slow market. Tesla. 56 break on Tesla.
I'm actually watching Caterpillar right now.
Check out CUEN.
That one from CUN.
Yeah, cat, umbrella, elephant, Nancy.
So,
Steve, Steve, can you look on TCRT?
See,
TCRT. T like
it's $3. Gotta get over this $3. Oh, bear with me, man. My computer is real slow. It's slow right now. Slow. Which one you talking about now? What stock you talking about now? Can you hear me?
T
C?
Yes,
Uh-huh.
we can hear you.
No. C you said or S?
no T.
T?
Yeah, now C
Uh-huh.
R T.
T as in Tom?
Yeah, as in Tom.
Bear with me. The system is slow. Slow to load up. Keep up pre-market. Okay. 10 cents? 5 cents?
Oh, it's too cheap.
Yeah. The
You can check on
seven-
ICCT.
Volume is not there for this stuff.
Okay.
Not big enough. See, it's in a downtrend, right? Downtrend.
Yeah.
Steve, what's the target on LNTH?
I want to broke 58. 58. Still in it?
No, I took it long.
Oh, you
I
took
made
it
some
long?
profit and then it dumped.
98?
Yeah.
That was not long. For sure. 60
I
short.
didn't know. I didn't know it was a short.
We check
I
out
took profits. It spiked. I took some profits and then I went
check
put
out
a stop
X.
loss.
What was that, Edwin?
Just the letter X.
Nice.
It's US Steel.
Oh, that thing is popping, man. US Steel.
Yeah, a Japanese company
It
bought
went
it at
away.
that price. So
MTX trying to find support now. Oh, it's
I'm done for the day, Steve. Well done on LNTH, man.
straight in X. Somebody already in X? Just that my computer is so slow.
You're too soft today, Steve.
Huh? Just my computer is slow.
yeah, a Japanese company bought X for 54 a share. So there's still $4 upside potentially.
$0.09 to go. That's the full value. Six. What have to see the break right here? Exactly. Feel like you go CUEN. Everybody was waiting to see. So right now, the market is trying to change the direction. Stop loss here. Watch that here. That's it. Huge. It's got 5 cents to go on X. $0.05 to go. No problem, Alex. See. 5 cents to go on this X stock here. Great.
Tesla going up to the view up. Shopify is bullish.
Tesla moving to the upside, Steve.
So, what's that like?
Yeah, SPY pulled back up, so it's pulling everything up.
I wanted to take some out of the I was gonna try to get this exit. It makes some profit out of this.
Oracle, Steve. It's pumping.
Mark, you there?
Yeah, I'm here. I got your LNTH.
Hey Steve, IBKR. Look at that thing go.
Slow, slow, slow. Slow. That's it. That's it. Oh, that was nice. That is nice. Well, great. Okay, look at 80. Girl. Well, I just wasn't part of it. As you could see, there's many stocks in my watch list that I take at any given time. Just it's already preset. Okay. 83, all of that. 1 point. That was great.
Hey Steve, X is moving up.
50.
Yeah, the offer to buy X, it's $55 a share by a Japanese company, but the unions might have issue with it. That's why they say it's staying at 50.
Wow. Spy is going, boys.
10 cents. By 10 cents. But there you go. That was the work I wanted. That 50, right? That was good. FedEx. 50 cents. FedEx. FedEx. Just slow, guys. I apologize. come in, buying pressure comes to move the stock up. Watch it be up like that.
Can't hear you, Steve.
Can you hear me?
Very soft.
Oh, hold on. I'll probably
Yeah, you're very, very
hold
soft.
on, hold on. How about now? Good to go?
Still low, but
Sounds
Yeah.
better?
it's
Yeah.
still low.
No, I think it's my phone. Let me just log off and log
No,
on
it's
again.
not your phone, Yasin.
No,
Sounds better, guys?
still soft. I'm on maximum volume and I can't hear.
Hello, hello, hello?
No, we can hear you, but it's
Mic
very
check.
soft.
Sound better now, guys?
You're sounding good.
I
You're sounding perfect, Steve. It's just a
Mic check,
soft.
mic check.
Yeah, low
No,
volume.
I think what Yoshi's saying, I think you sound
Guys,
fine.
hear me?
You're not choppy like you were earlier. I think Yoshi's saying your volume may be a bit low.
The volume is down. We can hear you clearly. The volume is down. Let me just log off and log in
Check,
again.
check, check, 1, 2, 1, 2. Can you hear me? Check 1, 2. Can you guys hear me?
I can hear you.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Steve.
we got
Steve, I can hear you good, Steve. I can hear you clear.
Okay.
No problem. I can hear you.
All right, that's FedEx. It's the LNTH still having trouble at that 60, right? So keep eye on that. All right. FedEx X. We missed that trade on X. I do. Anybody would have the opportunity.
Check out Carvana.
TVX falling.
Still, man.
Did you guys trade IBVG?
No, I didn't.
I did.
I think you're part of that. Still going.
Yeah, still going.
Still going.
I'm in
All
that.
right.
You're
Wants
talking
to
about
break over
IVVD.
47.
Oh,
I'm
You
in
guys
that.
talking about
I'm
it?
in that 302 on that one.
it's in a range now. Bounce off the V wow. 55, get a 50 cents, anything over that. Fine. Okay. Side. Open up, down.
There she goes.
One. X. Which one are you watching, Yasin? Which one you watching, Yasin?
Yasin, which one are you watching? He asked.
You
Guess
guys
he
are
can't
very
hear him.
soft, man.
I'm soft too. Oh,
Can you hear me? Speaking pretty
he's
loud.
having problems.
Who?
Yasin.
Are you watching anything else?
No, just FedEx.
BTO. Wow. Next break by BTO is over 11:40.
I took some profit off of Meta earlier. I got a partial running.
Check out CIFR.
R.
C IFR.
CR.
No, CI is an Indian.
B.
Yeah. F R.
Almost 20%. X moving up.
Yep.
Ready to partake in that?
Yeah, I did.
See the chart allows me to be in a slow. I'm not, you know, Not in my aggressive mode as I would like to be. Chart has me at a standstill. Don't like it.
Carvana's
What's
coming up
that?
to the VWAP.
Huh?
Carvana's coming up to the VWAP.
Need momentum in the body. Mhm. In the range. Everybody's quiet today. What's going on? Day number one. Come on. Don't let the market put you to sleep. Get a cup of coffee. Get your favorite drink. Let's go. LNTH partial need to break 58.
Check out AMD.
Go. Nice job, Ed. Appreciate that.
Yeah.
Let's keep going. Are you trading AMD? Are you, want to see it through the V one at 139. Get to 139. Break over that. I would rather want to see that. 138, sure.
You know, with AMD, the way well below VWAP, yet the SPY is well above VWAP. So there's relative weakness. Would you be more cautious taking it long?
I would have to wait first. Right now it's below the VWAP, so I'm not going to take it. It's more likely that you get rejected at the VWAP and bounce over. So for me, I would watch it comes up through the VWAP, because if you look, there's some heavy pressure here, right? Get the pressure here right before the VWAP. How rejected it got, so many rejection at VWAP at this level, right? So I wouldn't want to see it break this 139. that means it has to come through the VWAP with a candle strong enough to come through the VWAP to break 139. The next candle had to open above that.
Would you consider suppose it's the same area, but Tesla as well?
All that
Right. Now Tesla, we're thinking if it gets above 257.45, would that be a potential long?
my chart is just very slow. I apologize.
Yeah, no worries.
It's not me, it's just our platform is for the last week or so, Edwin?
Tesla was the one I mentioned.
It's slow for the last X, you should be looking into 50. How long the chart takes to look up.
So I was saying, would you take it above that 257.45?
Yeah, over this level here.
Yeah, there's a long. Okay.
This would be anything over the top there. So enter here, break this level. Okay.
Steve, I can't hear you.
And Tesla would be right here. It's 460.
I can't hear you, Steve. It's too soft. It's too soft.
Oh,
We
I'm
can
too
all hear
soft.
you. Well, we can hear you
Yeah.
now.
Yeah,
It's just him.
good, brother.
You gotta put your hearing
Be
aid in.
louder, I'll be peeking on my mic. Check the volume on your.
Can you take a look at CCCC?
I have it back on. See how long it takes. That's the short. CCC. That's gonna have to talk to me. That's it on that. Red tapes. Platform is so you guys talk to me whatever. So you guys want to look at, we can look at. What you want to do with CCC?
Is it having a pullback? It kind of went up and then bounced off of 413.
Steve, I'm going to leave the party. I cannot hear anything.
That's what I was going to drink that.
You would wait for it to reach the VWAP?
Yeah.
So 449. Okay.
Treated like this. Here, right? about this level here. To the next
You're
one.
on the 15-minute, brother. You know that?
Uh,
On the 15-minute. Do you know that?
so this level here, we would have need to break that. Split channel. That $4 here down there.
Yeah.
Anything below 40, you're good. But right now, the momentum is to the upside. See what it does.
So 450 buy and under 4 short.
That's what I would do.
Cool. Thanks.
Hey, check out CAN.
And screen take too long. What you want to do with this end? 220.
There's a daily gap at 220 to 235.
Yeah. There it is, right here. Gotta break through that to go higher. As you can see, the spike that that candle is in, that gap, right? Bring the channel now. That the channel. You know what I noticed? I think at the end of the year, the platform just decide to do what it does, right? It's getting ready to make changes. Slow. Orders are prepared.
Check out AMD again when you get a chance.
$2, 220. Monthly. Ooh. Worse. It's not back then. I was shocked it started back then. Oh, 13, oh, 14. I was shocked when it started. Point 6.
You're gonna buy it above 260?
No, 220 is the break. And 2.06 is short.
220 break, 206 short. Okay.
Welcome everybody to the channel of the Zoom live trading with Zen Trader. If you're new to YouTube, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell that you on our Zoom platform. We're looking for stock picks each and every day. Get posted every day on all social media at Zen Zone 1. Like, share, comment, social media. AMD gotta come up and gotta get that 139. Well, projection. So, L and TH to break 58 or downside. Anybody got anything else going on? So we can look at it.
Nvidia hit 500 twice.
500 would be the A. My kind of stuff. But I'll be looking for short it at some point, right? Better run. That would have been much better on my phone. Right. So, all right, guys. So look at this. We have a double top on NVIDIA. Okay? So we know now that for NVIDIA to break higher, break that 500, right? You know that, right? We all know that, right? We all know that, right? We all know that, right? Yes, no?
I missed that, brother.
Yep.
Okay.
I'm sorry, repeat that.
Everybody sleeping, huh? The market putting you to sleep?
Nah, I kind of step away for a minute.
Okay. So the next level to break on NVIDIA, it's gonna be that 496, right? Gotta break Viva. Really wanna wait, let's wait until this level.
Hey, Steve, check out Neil when you have a chance.
Neo was great this morning.
Yeah, it's trying to go back up again.
That I was watching the. That's following me on the video here.
Google. Google over the top.
It's just a slower side. control we're talking about now, Edwin? Sorry about the slowness here of this chart here. What else stock we're talking about?
Edwin said Google over the top. That's
Google?
the last thing he said, yeah.
That's right. And again, I apologize for the slowness of the chart here.
You don't have control, brother.
It's out of my control.
That's right.
Still managing how to trade. Keep an eye on JCI over 50-50 or something. Google, yeah. Google got to get over this 138, 37. Nice. Their target, believe me more. Everybody doing good today? Everybody being green? Day number 1, starting the week.
Last trading Monday of the year.
Huh?
Last trading Monday of the year.
Last trading month of 2023. Guys, come on. You don't sound too excited. I'm excited for 2020. Are you? I'm
Yeah, I'm
excited.
excited.
I'm excited. I'm excited.
Yeah, brother.
I'm excited. It's just, there's nothing in the market. 58 got broken on LNTH. This guy has to stay with it. That's all.
Steve, when you gonna open your course?
Hmm?
When you gonna open your course?
On the 15th is the target date.
On what?
January 15th.
Oh, January 15.
Yeah.
And there's gonna be a community?
Yeah.
Or what is it gonna be?
It's going to be a subscription based limited seat available for that. For anybody who wants to get in on that.
So everyone that will buy the course will be one of the community.
Yes.
And what the change from now?
You'll get my pre-market entries. As you see on this ticket here.
Oh, you're gonna open the Discord from the opening?
Yeah, you'll see the Discord from that. But through the Discord, you'll get connected to the channel, to the live chat. So you would have to follow all the requirements in Discord in order to get to the live channel. I still will put the stock picks out there, but to get the entries, you would have to subscribe.
It's going to be live, where you're
And
going to
it's gonna
see
be
them.
live.
You're going to see the
Yeah,
chart,
it's gonna be
everything.
not like now that you open it 1 hour after the market's opening.
It's going to be from
No,
9
you're
o'clock.
gonna see me open at 9. I'll be open at 9 till 9:30. You'll see me just get in and do levels and wait for the market to open. Then, you know, anyone that wants to trade those stocks at those levels will be able to trade those stocks at those levels.
And how much is it gonna be?
We're still working on that right now. But we'll send your information to the info at the Zen Zone, and then you'll get an email with all the schematics and stuff like that.
Okay. I can't wait for it.
Yeah. So it's been a while working on it. So, you know, Mark behind the scene been working hard at it. Language we got to get together. Disclaimer we got to get together. You know, we got to get everything right before we launch. We just don't want to launch something just like that.
Yeah, I know.
Right. And again, this is a business, so you know, I treat it as such.
And why do you open a course? Like everyone's saying that if a guy can make money on trading, he don't open a course. You know what I mean?
Not a course. It's live. It's live training. It's live mentorship he's giving you, and he's trading at the same time.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
So people may say, okay, why you give mentorship, right?
Yeah.
You guys are here, right? It's just like anything else, right? It's free, right?
Yeah.
I committed to 250 trading days of the year, which I'm here every month.
Yeah, and I with you every day.
Yeah. Do you really think that I need to be on this machine for the time frame that I am? I
No,
don't.
for real, no.
I really don't. Okay. So when this whole quest started, I was giving everybody this, but they wasn't showing up, right?
Yeah.
I was giving the long, the short. That's all they wanted was the long and short. They didn't want to see the trading. They didn't want to see anything. They didn't want to learn nothing, right? So I cut that out.
Yeah.
I was giving the entries. All they want was the entries. They wasn't learning anything, right? So when you're getting something for free, you're not learning anything. You're just asking. You're just doing this. You're doing that. What is it that you're learning? Okay. This is a business, right? This is a business. You gotta treat it as a business. I treat it as a business. That's why I'm in this market space, right?
You're right.
I have to treat it as a business, and I have to treat it in a way that the people who is really taking this serious, because at this point, if you're paying for it, you're bound to show up, right?
Right.
If you don't pay for it, you don't have to show up. Who cares? I don't have to show up 5 days. I don't have to show up 10 days. I could come back here. But at that point, are you learning anything? At that point, what is it that you want to do with this skill set? Is it here just to do what? Just to show up and do what? I take it seriously. And if you're not taking it seriously, then you're not going to be successful at it. Right? So when I started out, everybody was asking for Discord. I wasn't on Discord. We opened up a Discord. We create a family. Okay? Now that I'm on Discord, somebody say, let's do TikTok. On TikTok, you see how many times I get suspended from TikTok for whatever reason. Okay. I see there's a blockage here. I see there's an issue. We go on OBS. We got stuff from OBS. So every journey that we try to take to bring this information to you, there's always a roadblock. For whatever reason, I don't know. I can't explain it. But each time we get to a roadblock, we go to the next one, right? Because there's always something else. We go to the next one. The next one, here we are in Zoom. So in order for me to bring the Zoom live to you without any interruption, I have to subscribe to a Zoom. I have to pay for it. Right?
Right.
So all these platforms I'm paying for, the money is going out to pay for it. At the same time, I don't have to pay for it to bring you something for free, right? I could stay in Discord, which is free, right? Or I could stay
Right.
on TikTok, which is free, and you still wouldn't see my levels. It would have been hard. I would have to have a phone. I would have to do this, but who want to spend time doing that? So open up the platform a little bit wider to get people in with a better look at what I'm doing. As you can see it now, I had to subscribe to Zoom. I had to pay for the subscription to get it, right? So
Yeah.
that being said, I'm invested in myself to create a business to bring it to you. So in order for you to show up, there's two things that's gonna happen. You gotta make a decision. This is what I really want to do. First and foremost, before you subscribe to anything or do anything, you gotta sit back and say 2024, what is it it's gonna look like? What's my 6 months is gonna look? What my year is gonna be? What is it that I need to plan for next year? Is this what I want? Now, the money that you're gonna take to take this course, right? Or get into this live trading, you gotta understand that it's not money that you have to use to pay a bill, to pay your car note. You gotta find some other entity, a side hustle, or whatever the case may be, in order to come in, right? Knowing that the money that you're gonna be spending, it's gonna be, say you're coming in for 3 months. Hey, 3 months, I'm gonna put this in here, I'm gonna do what I need to do and get the education or get what I need to get out of it. And if after that you feel like this is not for you, then you end your subscription. No one is holding anybody to it. Because at the end of the day, I could still go on and trade on Zoom, behind the scene or live, right? It doesn't
Right.
matter. I could still trade because it's not stopping, right? So it's all up to you. What is it that you want? People was requesting it. I brought it to you. Now that I brought it to you, I dedicate a year, 251 trading days to everyone out there. Okay? So if you've been following me for 6 months, you has to be making money at some point, right? Or
Right.
have to be learning something at some point, right? So if I wasn't doing the right thing, you would have left a long time ago, okay? So obviously I'm doing something right.
Yep.
I'm making money. Some of you are making money. And if you're not making money, you're doing something wrong. And how are you going to correct that? Right?
How I'm gonna
I teach it every single day.
Yeah.
Steve, check out Neo. Neo's breaking 850 again.
Okay? I will do. So I do it every single day. So whatever I'm doing, not only you go back to the videos on YouTube and watch those, see those things happen. We're doing it live as well. It's not like I'm recording it and then put it live for you to see. We live. You're asking questions, asking levels, telling you, I'm showing you, right? So I'm teaching you even for free now for 250 days. 200 and what now? 43 days?
42.
42?
Yep.
So we here 242 trading days. That is something. You know?
Yeah.
So that's what I wanted to bring to you guys. I'm not in this for the money. I'm not, right? But if you're gonna commit to something, you gotta pay for something to commit to, right? I gotta pay for Zoom to commit to Zoom to give live, right? Then if I don't wanna commit to Zoom, I don't have to purchase Zoom. I could come on my computer and struggle with it and learn that way and watch this for free, and then whatever happened. And I'm telling you, I did watch YouTube videos. I did take mentorship. I paid $3 grand for mentorship. I paid $2 grand for mentorship. I paid $5 grand for mentorship. But what I'm telling you that is the money that I use for the mentorship is money that I have to look at it as if I'm investing that in my education, right? You spend 4 years go to college. You get up every single day to go to college, right? What do you learn? A profession, a skill set, unless you're in a trade, right? A trade school, a technical trade school, which you do hands-on, right? But you go to college for 4 years. After 4 years, it doesn't guarantee you that you're going to get a job in your profession. I've seen a lot of people that graduate 4 years with their master and still working at a fast food restaurant or working at a grocery store. So you got to decide what is it that you want. I knew what I wanted to do. I
I'm
knew,
waiting for the January 15.
yeah, you know, I waited, and you know what? I went and worked 2 jobs to get that money up to get that course. And with that course, I was there every single day getting what I need to get out and learn what I need to learn. And when I learned what I need to learn, you know what? I took it to the side and I started working on it. And that brought me to where I am today. So if someone didn't say to me, hey, let me show you something about trading. If someone didn't say to me, let me show you how to invest in crypto, I wouldn't be here. But somebody had to show me. And now that they show me, here I am, I'm giving it back. Right? So it's all up to everyone. No one is guaranteeing anything. Like I said, this is not financial advice, you know what I mean? I'm just merely sharing my trades, my opinions, you know, and all of that. As you could see, we do make money in this channel, for sure, right? We do. There's no question about it. And we're going to continue to make it, with or without. It doesn't matter, right? But you got to make the decision if that's what you.
I convinced him to give back to everybody. He wanted to trade. He was going to trade 30 minutes a day, 9:30 to 10 on his own, and live his life golfing and bowling and doing what he wants to do.
Yeah. So you know what? Why not? Why not? Why not? And like I said, you know, Mark said it. He gave me a challenge, and I said yes. And now we're taking this,
8:55.
we're taking this thing to a whole other level.
8:55 on what? Oh, Neil.
This one. Yeah.
Yeah, Neo needs to break this 8:55.
Yeah, that's what I have.
Yeah.
See, I've been with you for a while.
Break it down.
Yeah, just gotta wait for the stuff to develop.
Yep.
You got some resistance up here. Look at 866, right? You got some resistance there. 865. You gotta understand, guys, in life, you gotta take that lead, right? Then you got decision to make. What is it that you want to do? Hey, when Mark addressed me with the 250 trading days, I told him, hold on a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I took a couple of days to think about it because I was gonna accept something that is gonna require some dedication, right? Some commitment, right? So I told him, hold on a minute. I wanted to trade 30 minutes a day, as you could see. I have my sticky notes here, right? Would allow me to trade 30 minutes a day, right? So I said, hold on. I got to think about it. And what he was talking to me about, okay, I want to give back to everybody, right?
Carvana's at 54.
Yeah. Think about it. Think about it. Think about it. Okay. Thought about what I needed to do, how I gotta prepare myself mentally, physically, right? How I'm gonna approach this year, which is 2023. That was 2022. Right? So I can't stay stagnant. Okay, I'm just gonna keep doing this like this for another year. In order to elevate, I gotta step it up one more notch. Create a business now. Now it's not how it's gonna benefit me. Even though I'm making money, how I'm gonna make this educational stuff that I'm giving out work for me, work for my kids, right? How I'm gonna build generational wealth, right? So in order for me to build generational wealth, it's taking this trading thing to a whole nother level, which you open up a business, right? Open up a business, and then gradually, next it will be real estate. Now it will be this, it will be that. Building generational wealth. That's what we're trying to using this trading in order to build generation. Now, if that's what you want to do, this is what I'm dedicated for the rest of my time here to do. And as long as this platform is open, that's what I'm going to do. If that's something you're interested in, that's where I'm at. If it's not what you're interested in, then people are not going to be here. And that's okay, because that's not what you want. That's what I want for you, but I can't want it more than how you want it for yourself. You know what I'm saying? I know what I want for me, and I'm working on it, and I'm doing it, right? So at this point, we're going into a new year. What's your new year resolution look like? What's your 5-year look like? I can't say give you 10. You have to make your goals realistic, right? Attainable, right? Reachable, right? Do you want to continue to work that 9 to 5? How are you going to stop from working that 9 to 5 and get into a space where you don't have to spend more time at home with your kids? Kids come home from school, you could spend time with them. Wife come home from work, you could spend more time with them. All of that, you got to sit down and evaluate your life and figure out what is it that you want to do, and then plan a course of action. Because once you start the momentum, don't worry about how you're going to get there. Once you start the momentum, everything else will come in place, because your action is going to react to what the energy you're going towards. You're just going to get more of that. Okay? Right, left. And sooner or later, you're 6 months in and say, oh my gosh, I didn't see that. Of course you didn't see it. But the most important thing is starting. That's the most important. Starting. Okay? Neil got to get over it. Anything else you guys looking at? And that's just me to you guys. You know what I mean? It's just, I'm passionate about it. I love what I do. You gotta love it. You don't feel like work.
No, I don't feel like work at all. I work, so trust me.
And I work, and I was doing this on the side. So let me show you. I used to work in the daytime or in the morning, right? When I was working my 9 to 5. I worked from 7 to maybe 6, right? How I'm gonna get trading? I can't. I try to do it on my day off. It's not enough time because I'm only getting 2 days out of 5, right? So out of 20 days, I may be getting eight trading days, right? Yeah, 8 trading days out of 20. I can't be successful, right? So I had to go to my boss and say, hey, sorry, I need to work on me. All right? Now, I had to switch maybe work a mid shift or a night shift, right? Those are two things. But if you want complete access to the stock market, I have to work a night shift. So that come in like maybe 3 or 4 to 12 or something like that, right? 3 to 11. At least I have 9:30 to at least 2. And again, this is all about planning, right? 9:30 till 2. If my job is at 3, I got an hour, depends on how far I gotta drive. So it may be 9:30 to 12 or 9:30 to 1, and then I'll prepare myself, get ready to go to work by 3, right? So that is enough time to get yourself educated, to get in on a program, and whatever the case may be. Planning, right? Now that you plan that, you get in your education on trading. This is your side hustle now, right? It's not your major thing. You still got to go to work, take care of the family, take care of whatever you need to do. But at least you're working on something that is going to take you away from that money. And then after you're working on that, and that income that you're working on your side hustle is replacing your 9 to 5. That's when you think about leaving the 9 to 5. But you do not leave your 9 to 5 and expect to come into this market to replace that right away, if you don't know what you're doing. So my suggestion would be work your 9 to 5, work your hustle, so your hustle becomes the income that is replacing your 9 to 5. That can really support you. And that it would be like you have a 6 months grace period or a year. And when you have that, hey, thank you for having me. It was a pleasure working with everybody else, with you, and thank you for giving me the opportunity, and see you later. You go. That's how I do it. Good on LNTH. Wow. We had 56. So you see, if you were to take that short at 60, it would be 4 points in now. Anybody took that short at 60? Let's go back to that.
I think someone did, and they sold at 59.
Okay, so they got a point. So
Yeah.
look at this. So the 60 grade that we were talking about, taking it short, right? You would have took a 3/4 out of the trade at 60. Look what your partial is still giving you. Look. Came down to 56.05. That's 4 points, right? 5 points, right? This ain't coming back right now. This is my partial, guys. I got 3/4 out. This is my partial. That goes to show you, right? You could do it too. You just gotta follow. Just gotta follow. You gotta know. You gotta trust the trade. You gotta trust the process. You gotta believe in what you're doing. I believe. I trust. Right? You all want to do it. You just got to make the decision to do it. If this is what you're reading from. I could help you. I could help you, guide you through the patience. I could help. We've been doing it for 242 days so far. It's 20 trading days in a month. Try it. For the last 20 days, we were what? I guess some of you are 10 days now in the green, right? or even more.
Yep.
So we have to. If you want to have the life of freedom, you have to make a change. You have to do it. It's a must. It was a must for me. Let's go. Tesla, where's Tesla? Let's go back and look at some stuff.
I was just about to say Tesla.
Channel.
Sorry for my platform. So slow. It's not me.
Tesla's trading in the channel.
It's the platform itself. So normally we'll be in and out and all over the place. 50 stocks on board again. Does that is 460, right? Right before you get to the big one. See what that is. Bottom here. Stop loss there. Bottom is a stop loss, right? Treat this level here. That would be a target to the next resistance. Right? We just need the momentum to change to the upside. Okay. Pressure is on Tesla. See, she's to the downside. See, got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Trying to use this level as support here, right? Pressure is on. Again, if you want to be a part of it, send your info that you would like to be in it. And again, guys, I look at it like this. If you like to have beers, if you like to have alcohol, if you like to go out and eat, it's only going to go sacrifice, right? Sacrifices. Taking some sacrifices, right? Let me not go out for a month or two. Let me use that money that I normally spend on doing this. Put it aside and try to get something, at least get some information that it's going to allow me to get out of this situation. You got to do it. Win, lose, or draw. And just knowing that money that you're putting in, it's to better your life. It's to better your life, right? That's why you scour the internet and you look for people, you look for, oh, let me find this, let me find this, let me look at this, let me look at this, and whatever the case may be, see if I can get an advantage. But what I'm saying to you is like, how many people here came and find me? I'm not out here like that, but you come across my page. I resonate with you. Am I doing the wrong thing? Am I telling you the wrong thing? No, I'm not. But what I'm not telling you is that you don't have to. But this is something what you want to do. I'm gonna do it regardless. We gonna do it regardless together. No matter what nobody says. So 2024, it's your year. When we start out 2023, we say 2023 was our year. And it was 242 days. Man.
Tesla just broke.
Yeah, come on, Tesla. Ready. Let's go. Let's get money. See if we could break. Come on. Okay. Come on, Tesla. So slow. I just hate trading like this. It's so slow. I feel that 72. And again, I'll be looking for an LNTH on a reversal. Until then, I'm just holding it to the downside.
She's paying you at partial.
Yeah. See if Tesla could make it over this level. This game, it's only two things you're gonna have. Either you're gonna win or you're gonna lose. So the only two things gonna happen. The next thing you gotta do is how to manage that. How I'm gonna manage it. Right there. Right above it. Candle, it's right above this candle. All we need now is to press through this level. Right? Just like this candle here. So need this candle to be like this candle here, but green. Right?
There she goes. There she goes.
Numbers is there. Trust it. All we need is to stop the flow in the direction that we need to go. That's it. Ah. Got it, Mark?
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Mark, a question for you.
Sure.
I've got an invite on Discord. It looks like it's from you, but I don't
No,
really know whether it isn't. Okay.
it's not. Let me check. People clone my emblem and Zen's emblem.
Yeah, I also got one last week from Mark, two of them,
Yeah, I got one too.
telling me to
I've
sign
been
up for
deleting them.
AI options. And then I went there, I saw it were all the Bitcoin thing like eToro or something like that, you know.
Yeah, I've been deleting them left and
Yeah,
right.
Yeah, Mark's
And I,
famous, man. This
I got like 2, 3 times last week.
when people impersonate you, you know you made it big, you know.
Yep. No, you kidding me? I'm on TikTok, and you know how many of the same names keep friending me?
Oh yeah, man.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Mark need to change his logo and his name, I think, so that we know now him, you know. He got similar, 3 people similar like him.
I don't think that's gonna work. They're gonna
No,
find
it's not. They'll just copy it. The whole point is they're copying it. That's what they're trying to do. So whatever he changes it to, call yourself
Yeah,
Batman, Mark, if you want. But
he
someone's going to come
changed
out
it.
with Batman as well.
No.
Oh, that's fine.
Right now, until it switches over, Discord lists me as the owner, and it's going to go to Zen, because I'm working on a Discord. So you'll see next to my name, you'll see that crown, and then if you look at my profile, it'll say owner in a note. I had to do the same with Zen. I had to put OG in his profile, and it just makes it easier, so I don't delete him, because there was like 3 of them at one time that were
Okay.
copying him. Yeah, I've deleted like in the past couple weeks 3 or 4. We try to, yeah, never respond to anybody. I don't care if it's me, Zen, anybody on the Discord. Just confirm that who they are.
Yeah.
Same thing on any social media platform.
Yeah. I think online frauds has gone up since COVID days. I think that's what they're saying.
Yep.
Even linking through Amazon. I think when you get an email from Amazon, I did go on Amazon itself because that link may be cloned Amazon site.
Oh,
Oh yeah,
yeah,
I
yeah.
was
You
getting
gotta,
emails.
if you get emails from there, you gotta check the email addresses. Sometimes they'll say like, they'll say there's a Amazon services at Gmail. So Gmail,
Yep.
Amazon never uses Gmail.
I don't open any
Yeah,
emails. I go to my app, I go to my account, and that's where I get my information because they're all phishing emails
yeah.
to get
Yeah.
you to click on something, and then they got your computer.
Yeah.
yeah,
So
same
yeah,
thing
I
happened
don't
to my
really.
Netflix.
What's that, Sean?
Same thing happened to my Netflix account.
Yep. Oh yeah, they're ruthless. They are ruthless. There's some guy on TikTok that goes out and he hacks the hacker's computer, and they're mostly in other countries.
Yeah, I saw one of those videos. It's actually quite good. I think
Oh,
he
it's
hacked into the CCTV as well, didn't he?
yep, it's fun. Oh yeah, he hacks in him. He's like, "See you," and he calls her by her name, and they're like, "What? What? Where are you?" She's looking around. I think it's great taking revenge on them.
Yeah, no, that's brilliant.
But yeah, don't open, don't respond.
When's the last day of trading this year? Is it? I know it's closed Christmas Day. And you don't have Boxing Day in the US, do you?
It's the 29th, the
I
last day of
think
trading for
Boxing Day is what, the
2023.
23rd? The 23rd.
Boxing Day is normally the 26th.
Oh, 20, after. Okay.
Yeah, it's after.
Oh yeah, the last day of trading in 2023 is going to be the 29th.
Right, I'm back. I'm back. I'm back.
Back.
What's going on with Tesla? Tesla looking good, huh?
Yep.
Doing
Nice.
its thing.
Nice. Okay. About high on LNTH first. I got 20 minutes. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna come out of LNTH first. Yeah, that was a great trade.
That's a beautiful trade.
For a reversal on that. That's gonna be it's gonna come up, right? I'm looking at this 58.8, right? Right. All right, now we got trade. Oh, scroll down. It's over here, right? Watch this level here. Listen. Next. Ah! Jesus. Crazy, so quick. Right? That Tesla pullback.
Steve, check out CCC. See, it's getting to that point you were mentioning earlier.
Got a break. Stop. Let's go overnight and see what that is doing. So you guys have it. I'll watch that if you don't see it. Bro. Bro, guys. That's great for 9 days at 151. All right. All right, so that's Nike. Okay. And C. HCM. Right. Target is here. CN. FedEx. FedEx. Grade four. Grade four. We got 18 cents left in grade four, so we get around that. FedEx. That's not. Already in
Nike looks like he's moving.
That's not here. Got LNT. Look at the spy. Target. Go. sideways up, sideways. Right, pull back, sideways, and then down, support, and then down. Support, and then down. So it's gonna be the same thing on the reversal, then breaking, support, right back down, right? So you gotta treat it as such. So the same thing it does on the way up. Gonna do on the way back down, breaking all these support level down, right? First one would be at 7. I think I might have to come on at 12 more. Sit. If I can. It's just crazy that. So it's because I gotta give up the office. Okay, that's looking good, guys. Gotta pull back on LNT. Nice 2 green candle. Back to the flag. Target on Tesla. Struggling. Keep up this right up. Okay. Let's need our target. So that's it. That's it. That's all we have. The market. Maybe we pick something up at 3 o'clock, 2 o'clock. Everybody come back into the market. We shall see. It's gonna be patient waiting for these stocks to develop here. 11:43 on AVGO. Sean.
Yeah, talk about taking it off the bottom, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Perfect.
I wasn't watching Nike. Nike had a great reversal.
Nike.
Yeah.
Watch those numbers. Watch those numbers. And the hardest thing is to wait. You know, hardest thing is to wait. Guys, go over to YouTube and if you want to do some emoji, can you please leave a comment? It's a pleasure that YouTube knows that we're doing a good job.
Can't hear you, brother.
How to be successful. I'll go over these 5 things every single day. I gotta learn how to be consistent, right?
We can't
Gotta
hear you.
have the discipline. Gotta have the confidence in what I'm. Gotta be patient. Gotta have the passion. If you're thinking somebody, I got the passion for this, right? You could see it in my trade, right? I got the passion. Right? And you know I got the patience. You see it in my trade, right? You see that I'm consistent, right? Those are 5 keys I go by every single day. Win, lose, or draw. Right? Consistency based in that I show up every day. The consistency is that I'm 242 days with. That's the consistency. That's discipline. That's confidence. Right? That's passion. You can do it too. I know you can. Right?
Can you do a walkthrough on why you took the LNTH?
Talk about volume start coming in, right?
Okay.
See the resistance here, right? I missed the one right here, but the next break, right? With volume, just somebody took a profit here, stop back. As you can see, the stock wants to run down, right? It's getting ready. Get the data, bro. Get ready to break the 50 RSI, right?
Mm-hmm.
Once on this candle here, right? It's just that somebody took profit, right? Took it, boom, go back. Here it is again. Wants to go higher. It's a MACD.
Nice.
No, cross over, right? Now all we need now is for this to open up wide like this, right? With volume, okay? So we need it to open up like that, right? Right now it's like this, right? It's like this. All we need is some more volume coming in, and then it start opening up like that. And she's going through that level, okay?
Cool.
So as the volume come in, boom, pop. That thing is gone, okay? And if it doesn't happen, we have our stop loss in, right? Our stop loss is going to be on the previous green candle here where it breaks out.
Okay.
And again,
Thanks.
it comes back down here and stop me out here. But I didn't really lose anything. I lose on this trade, but my day is not green. My day is not red, right?
Mm-hmm.
3 quarters that I took out gave me more than enough. The partial that I came out with stop out here, it's more than enough, right? So I got room to play with it some more and get a benefit off it if it switch direction and go. It's only gonna add to my green day. And if it doesn't add to my green day, I have my stop loss in place. Right? And that's how far I'm gonna take. I'm not doing it anymore. I'm not. That's it. I'm done for the day. These 2 trades, that's it. It's whichever one hit my stop loss, I'm done for the day. I don't have to fight the market. There's no need to fight. Right? You go with the trend. But I'll watch this. I have my stop loss in place. That's it. If it goes sideways, come down, stop me out, so be it. But what if? What if it doesn't fall? What if it breaks this level? We go all the way back up to 65. Huh?
Mm-hmm.
What if it breaks and come all the way back up to 65, up to this level here?
That would be lovely.
Okay. So with this trade like this, right? I'm giving myself an opportunity. Not only you're giving yourself an opportunity, you have your risk management. The stock break this level, I said I'm done for the day. I'm done. Give yourself an opportunity. But what if you didn't give yourself an opportunity? You're gonna look back at the stock and go, man, shoulda, coulda, woulda. Don't play the emotional game. How about I tell you, I'd rather trade this than going to a casino. Because I could control the narrative. In a casino, you can't control the narrative, because the house always wins, right? And even if you go to the casino, you're still gonna have to go there with the mindset is that I got $5 grand. Think you're gonna come back out with the $5 grand? What's the
No.
chances of you come back out with the $5 grand? Like, very slim. At least in trading, I could always set my stop loss to my entry if I make a trade, right? And have an opportunity to trade one more trade. The trade is going against me. I going against me. I just set my stop loss to my entry, right? I didn't lose any money, but at least I give myself an opportunity, right? In the casino, it's not like that, right? You go with the bet and the house goes boom, you're out. You try again, go against, boom, you're out. Okay? So that's how that is. So Tesla or this one, one is gonna eventually erase one, right? The Tesla gonna get and go higher, or LNTH is gonna pull back to this level here, and I'll be stopped out, and Tesla is gonna continue to run, and I'm gonna make money. But this trade is not over yet. Only two things can happen. Check it here, I get stopped out here. Oh, that's this coming up, right? Just pull back. See. Pull back is strong enough. Come on. Right? Nothing wrong with that. But I have to live with that decision that I just made. Could I minimize my stop loss on this stuff? Sure, I could. Right here. I could have went to that, this candle here, and I'll be out. That's that. It's fine. Oh, right. So you got to break this 472 to go short, right? Break that level. market looks back. That's what you're looking for. That's the same thing. Support. Here's another support. Money from 1 to 1. Okay. The next one. That's it. That's how you're going to treat it as such. Breaks the view up. That's your next target. Okay. All right. That's it. Alright, so I'm gonna be holding Tesla. You know what my target is on Tesla. You know what my stop loss is on LNTH. Those are the two things that I'm gonna be waiting on. EVGO, you guys already know. That's a big home run and then some. Okay. JP Morgan, it's been nice. Edwin, you know, you play that from 154 or something like that. You did?
Yep.
Beautiful. So that's gonna be it for me, guys. Get ready to stop out of LMTH. See if like some pressure is right here. Okay. We'll do it again tomorrow. Thank you guys for stopping by and participating with me.
Thank you, Steve.
Thank you, brother. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yes.
Hey, thanks, guys.
Yes.
Thank you, Steve. Thank you very much.
You're welcome, guys.
Bye.
Appreciate
Bye.
it. And
See you
again, I'll be in the district, so you know, I'll be looking. Just because I'm not live, I'll be looking in the market, looking for opportunities as well. Okay.
All sounds good.
All right.